Christopher Bibil of Blue Wave Blue versus Julian Padara of J. Lupon Red Armor. For Arena 2, we are in the championship bout for men's beginners adult white belt. Fight between Bukid of Blue Wave Blue versus Kadara Julian of J. Lupon Red Armor. For Arena 1, this is the championship round. For women's beginners, adult, white, orange, green belt division, played between Saavedra of Red Hawks on Blue Armor and Badyoman of Pulang Lawin on Red Armor. Once again, on behalf of the Philippine Lupon Subato Incorporated, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Ayala Malls Abriza for allowing us to conduct today's event here at the Activity Center. Maraming salamat po. We would also like to acknowledge our medical team headed by Dr. Andrew Saavedra. Our official doctor, we have Dr. Godinez Steffi from Barangay 19-B DRRMC. We have Mr. Brian Makara, AJ Fuentes, Glenn Loyola, Irish Carla Corpus, and Jarella Jean Salazar. Maraming salamat po. Time for Arena 1. Champion, Janessa Saavedra of Red Hawks. Next bout for Arena 1. Bout number 26. Trixie Laura of JNPK on Blue Armor versus Maureen Pedrosa of Blue Warrior on Red Armor.